the existence of this more midterm rising channel top that can stall out progress reaching 525.72, the 480.26 formation able to contain buying on a monthly basis as it already has, and below which the market susceptible to falling back into the 360s again over the next month or two. We're in our fourth week after having tested 480.26 without any appreciable downside follow-through, and in fact signs now point to a retest of 480.26 over the next week or two, this following the settlement on Monday above this near-term descending channel top that we find at 442.29. So this could be within 3 to 5 days with a higher volatility move. Could also spill into next week. 473.39 on the daily chart, 480.26 on the weekly chart. This is the area that I expect now by the end of next week, so long as we continue closing above the 442.29 formation. You can buy 442.29 as a 1 to 2 week swing trader, expecting this rising resistance in the 473.39 to 480.26 region. On the way up for today, I do have 457.44 that is expected today above 442.29. 457.45 can contain intraday buying. Now, sometimes I will weight the top channel heavier than the inside channel, but the inside channel, having settled above it, we also cleared the high of the low from about a week and a half ago. We also cleared above this congestive region. So I think you put that all together, I think we can anticipate 473.39 again by the end of next week. But 457.44 is a solid day tradable level. You could even sell it outright, anticipating perhaps bearish rotation back to 442.29 within a day or two, possibly on an intraday basis. Now, if we do close today above 457.44, we should within just another 1 to 3 days reach that 473.39 longer term channel top. From there, we can fall back again within a month or two into the 360s, hence the 5 to 8 month 525.72 target. But if by the end of next week we happen to close above that 480.26 rising channel top, we're just another 3 to 5 weeks or less away from reaching our longer term objective at 525.72. This is a 5-year channel top that can contain buying through the first quarter, possibly well into 26. The downside, this 442.29, I'm only going to say that if we close below it, 410.55 in reach by the end of next week. On the way down, I don't have any strong pivot points. I do think 434.10 is in reach on an intraday basis if we break 442.29, but simply closing back below this structure, if you went long on Monday following the settlement above it, and that is, I think, the correct trade to make right now if you're a 1 to 2 week swing trader, which is to have bought the market expecting the 470s, 480s again over the next week or two. But if we close below 442.29, if you did buy it, my suggestion is to exit that long position. And if you're comfortable playing the short side, you can do so over the next 1 to 2 weeks back to 410.55. Please click like, share, subscribe.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.